In this video, I'll show you how to trim a 3D object in AutoCAD using the slice command. This is one of the easiest ways to remove unwanted parts of a 3D model while keeping your design accurate and clean. First, adjust your view to the side or top where you want to make the cut so you can clearly see the area you'll be trimming. Next, type slice in the command line and press enter. Select the 3D object you want to modify, then press enter to confirm your selection. Now define the slicing plane by picking 2 points that represent the direction of the cut. Once the plane is set, choose which side of the object you want to keep, and AutoCAD will remove the unwanted portion automatically. You can repeat the process as many times as needed to create more detailed shapes or refine your model. Using the slice command is much faster than recreating complex 3D objects from scratch and helps improve your overall workflow. That's how easy it is to trim a 3D object in AutoCAD. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more AutoCAD tutorials, and thanks for watching.